Hello YouTube team, my name is Muhammad Shani Alam. My channel name is Mishari Quran. My channel was monetized suddenly on 29 November 2022. News content come on my channel. Even though what to record my own Quran recitation on this channel, please watch my channel carefully. Although I have not copied or downloaded anyone's content, whatever is on my channel is according to YouTube's policy. It is my own content. The voice is mine and the video is also made with my own camera. I want you to watch my channel carefully and give me a good decision. Thank you, YouTube team.